Hello, this is Daniel with Services-365, and today we're going to take an introductory look at Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. A few of the things we're going to be looking at today include some general navigation, the fact boxes, opening and editing in Excel, and the integration with Microsoft Outlook. Business Central is a web-based application, so it will run in any current browser, including Chrome, Edge, and Safari. Internet Explorer, however, is not recommended. Business Central also has a mobile client that will run on your tablet or iPhone. It supports both iOS and Android. So long as you have internet access, you can access your ERP at any time. It's transactional, meaning you can input orders, update customers and inventory, or fill out timesheets, not just view the information. From the waffle button in the top left corner, I can access all services I've subscribed to in the Microsoft Cloud for Business, such as my Outlook, OneDrive, and Teams, using only one set of credentials. Business Central uses a role-based security model, which can be customized to limit user access within the system. You'll see there are several different predefined roles I can choose from, and your homepage, display, and menus adjust accordingly based on your role. Currently, I'm using the Business Manager role, and as you can see, I'm presented with everything I would require on a daily basis. I have menus up top with the information most relevant to my role, and here I am presented with my key performance indicators. Furthermore, you're not limited just to your menus. You can access anything within the system, depending on permission levels, through the search icon. Here you can see it is filtered by tasks, reports, and documentation. And on the right-hand side, I have several actions. I can create sales or purchase orders, I can see my financial statements or reports, and I can even schedule them to run daily, weekly, or monthly to arrive in my report inbox. Now, if we look down, we have our activities fact boxes. From here, we can see the sales this month, overdue sales invoices, purchasing invoices, and a few other features. If we do click into one of them, we'll be given more information. From the list here, we're able to filter, we can sort, or just use the overall search as well. These are not unique to this section, but are general functions which can be used throughout Business Central. If we scroll down further, we take a look at our dashboard here, and we have many reports, such as a trial balance, all ready to go. But importantly, we have the Power BI reports. Power BI is a powerful visual reporting tool integrated with Business Central. There are many pre-built reports that you can embed directly into Business Central to keep you up to date on exactly what is going on within your company. Another excellent feature showing the overall integration with 365 is the ability to open and edit directly in Excel. So if I go to the item list, then the page menu, I can open or edit in Excel. Now this will prompt Excel to open. And after a quick user authentication over on the right-hand side here, you'll see all my data populate that was in the item screen. I now have the ability to edit in real time and quickly publish my changes right back to Business Central. Finally, we're going to take a look at the seamless integration with Microsoft Outlook. The Business Central icon and menu will be added to the top ribbon. From here, we can view our contacts, we can also generate sales orders and purchase orders, and even just use it for direct correspondence with our contacts. This feature eliminates the need to switch between programs and is extremely useful for busy schedules when you may not always be at the office. For example, let's take a look at making a sales quote directly from Microsoft Outlook. So from the top, we can go to our menu, we can go to Sales Quote, and this is going to prompt a list of all of our contacts. Pick the one who is, say, inquiring about a certain item and looking for a quote. This will follow the number series exactly as it would be within Business Central. You have all of the same options throughout as well. You can go down, and once you click on the number, you'll find you have all of your items listed just as they are in Business Central. And then after we select our item, We'll just have to finish all the rest of the line details here, but what we can also do is we can pop this up from the top menu into a new window. And then we could have even a better view of all the details that need to be filled in for the line menu. You'll notice that the asterisks are also present here, and these just let you know the required fields. And then once we have our quantity in, we can scroll over and make sure that all the fields are properly filled out. If you scroll down, there's also the same collapsible menus that you would find within Business Central. Now, for the purpose of this quote, let's say that we do have it all completed here. We'd go up to the top. From here, we can process it to an order, an invoice. You have the options to add comments or attachments. Even if it needs necessary approvals, you can even set that up here as well. And we would go down. We can send it by email. We'll give you the verification. You can add any kind of further comments, additional notes, anything you'd like before you send. And just like that, you've sent a quote from Microsoft Outlook. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching on behalf of Services-365. If you're interested in a demonstration to see just how Business Central may be the total solution for you and your company, send us an email at sales@services-365.com. Stay tuned for more Business Central content to come.